Hey guys, welcome back to Unko Media. You are cooking with Ehuru. Today, I want to show you how I make this delicious pot of groundnut soup, also known as peanut soup. But before we continue, I must appreciate you all for being here today. If today is your first day here, thank you so much and welcome. And for the returning viewers and subscribers, you are awesome. I greatly appreciate your support. Now, join me in the kitchen. Let's cook. I'll list full ingredients in the description box. Let's get the details first. In a large pot, add pre-washed goat meat, chopped onions, chicken bouillon or knorr powder. Mix it very well. Don't add any water. Cover it and steam for 10 minutes for meat to release its juice. Meanwhile, prep your other ingredients. Grind 2 cups of freshly roasted unsalted peanuts. You don't need water to grind it. You can use unsalted peanut butter too. I have videos of roasting peanuts. You can do it in your microwave, in the oven, or on your stovetop. To the blender, add dawa, okpei, Scotch bonnet peppers, onion, ginger, red bell pepper, and tomato paste. Blend them with half a cup of water. Oops, the chief cook forgot to put the blade in the blender. After 10 minutes, add the pepper mix and the pre-soaked stockfish if you are using it. Stir the pot to combine the ingredients very well. Cover the pot and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes until goat meat is about 80% cooked. Use about half cup of water and mix the groundnuts or peanuts to a smooth, thick paste. After 25 minutes, add the pre-washed dry fish. Add the groundnut paste in lumps and allow the lumps to dissolve on their own. Add Ehuru or African nutmeg or calabash nutmeg and Uziza African black pepper. Mix to combine very well to incorporate everything. Now you lower the heat to medium and stir frequently to avoid the soup getting burnt. Taste for seasoning and adjust as needed. We didn't use oil to cook this soup, but see oil settling on top, indicating the groundnut paste is fully cooked. Now add the crayfish and the vegetables. Mix to combine and turn off the heat. And the super delicious groundnut soup is ready. Groundnut soup can be prepared in many ways, but this is my favorite recipe because the deliciousness is out of this world. You can pair it with different kinds of fufu. This is eba, oat fufu, yam fufu, you can also pair it with white rice or bread or plantain or potatoes, anything you want. It's so delicious. If you try this recipe, I bet you will add it to your collection of recipes. And please let me know how yours turned out. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and do so and activate the notification bell so you will know when I upload another video. If you like this video, give us thumbs up please and share with your friends and family. I appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Cheers and stay blessed. Bye-bye.